Hi, this is David Collins from Bushcomm Antenna Systems Australia. Here's a quick demo video on the Bushcomm SWC100 series of broadband antennas. Now when I say this is broadband, it is a true broadband antenna. There is no tuner required, and I'll show you that on the antenna analyzer in a moment. It is also a true commercial quality antenna. You can see there the main radiators are made out of 304 stainless steel wire. We find the average mean time between failure on these antennas is about 17.5 years. So basically, even in the harshest of environments, you should be able to put this up and pretty much forget about it for 10 years. So now this is the 34 metre long version. That's the overall length, which is rated at 5 to 30 megahertz. There is a 48 metre version as well, which is rated at 3.5 to 30 megahertz. And on request, we do also do a 60 metre version if you need performance down to 2 megahertz. Now you see there, that's the load. There's actually one on either end of the antenna. This is the high-powered version, which is 100 watts or 125 watts continuous CW or data. We do also have a 125 watts PEP voice model available as well. So we'll move back here, and then I think we'll put it on the antenna analyzer for you guys who like to see the technical side of things. These systems are very popular in Australia and Southeast Asia by government departments and even commercial HF networks. They're extremely popular, purely because they're just they're easy to install, because it's just a single wire antenna. So, okay, so I'll move down to the antenna analyzer here. You can see there I'm on 4.2 megahertz. I'll start now, keeping in mind this is the 5 to 30 meg version, and you can see there the VSWR at 3.9 megahertz is 1.5, and I'll just scroll up and you'll be able to see it. 5 megahertz, 1.3, 6 megahertz, 7 megahertz, 1.8, 1.9 at 9 megahertz. Then I'll move up to the 10 megahertz range. 10 megs, 1.8, 1.7, 11, 12, 1.6, 1.5, 1.6, 20 megahertz. It does move up, so at about 19 megahertz it's still fine. It does move up a little around 22 and 23, and then around 26 to 30 megahertz it's got quite reasonable VSWR again. So they're actually, when you're talking frequency versus VSWR, they're actually amazingly flat, these antennas. So that's on that side of it. I will also, I've got a radio here too. We can quickly go on air. Just give you a bit of a demo. This will be on 7 megahertz. I have a friend waiting for me to. Okay, we've got the connector. Okay. Alright, so I'll just turn it up a little bit. Yeah, VK4 FIXA, copy the VK4 UNK. Sorry mate, I'll just turn you up a little bit. Yeah, just doing a bit of a YouTube video on the new SWC100. Just wondering what sort of signal you've got there.
Well, I'll get you, probably 8 out of 10 on strength, and clarity it'd be 10 out of 10.
Roger mate, no problems. Oh, that's great to hear. So okay then. Well, thanks for the radio check, Peter, and we'll be chatting soon, mate.
Roger, Dave, no worries. VK4 Victor, clear of VK4 UNK.
Thanks, Peter. VK4 UNK going clear. So that was a little on-air test. So yeah, look, if you're interested, The pricing, these are actually quite keenly priced, so they do, although they're a commercial antenna, they do also overlap into the amateur market. So if you're interested, go to www.bushcomm.com and have a look at our library page, and you'll see the SWC100 series of antennas. You'll see the BBA 100 series of antennas, which are the multi-wire broadband antennas as well. So okay, thank you for watching.